this is CatCraftJack here, and today we're going to be doing top 5 science experiments. And usually they're kind of gaming episodes, but today we're switching it up. This one is called Pencil in a Bag. And so normally you would think if you stab a pencil in a bag, the water would go out. No, if you stabbed it right in there, only made one hole, it actually doesn't do it. So we're just gonna start right now, and 3, 2, 1, go. Look. You can even kind of lift it up. It doesn't even leak. Like, I can even, guys, I'm gonna do double-sided, because I've done this before, and you can actually do it double-sided. Look at this. Have you ever seen that? Looks like ice. Okay, so now I just kind of shaking the sparkling water or soda, whatever you have, to do the what do I use? Shake something that fizzes. If you shake it real good, it's supposed to like go up. It's supposed to like explode. Okay, so we're just shaking it up, and we're about to open it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I call this one the pepper spreads, because this one is where you just get some pepper, a bowl of water, some dish soap, and a Q-tip, and you just put the pepper in the bowl, and then where's the Q-tip? I don't know where it went, but and then you get the Q-tip, you put some dish soap on it, and the pepper all spreads. So we're gonna start off with the pepper. Okay, I'm a little bad at this, but oh, now it's working. Okay, so just putting. I got a little help putting all the pepper in. I finally found my Q-tips, and they were right beside my soap bottle. And so we're gonna start. And so you just get a little soap. Ooh, that was an accident, guys. Okay, so. Oh, that's good. Then you kind of just. I think I need a little bit more soap. Oh, no, I don't. And then move it over here. Yeah, just, so that was it, basically. It was kind of cool. It's kind of like the last one, but yeah, I think that was good. So next one is science experiment. Baking soda and vinegar. Now, you guys have probably heard of this, and you guys have probably done this before at home at one point. So just put some vinegar in the bowl, put some baking soda, and it fizzes all up. And I just think we're gonna start. The vinegar is very heavy, guys. So make sure you get someone strong to help you. Okay, got the vinegar in. And then put baking soda up. It's all fizzing up. That's so cool. And then it stops. But if you do it again, it just fizzes. And then if you put more baking soda, we don't know what it does, put more baking soda. It does it again. You don't even have to put more vinegar, guys. So that was the baking soda and vinegar. See you in the next science experiment. Okay, so next one is tie-dye and milk, where we just get some food coloring, some more food coloring. That's normal food coloring. This is neon food coloring. And we're just gonna put the food coloring in the milk, then get a Q-tip, put it in the little dish soap, put it in there. But let's just start with putting now I think we're gonna be doing the normal because we're gonna save the best for last. So we're doing the normal food coloring first. Oh, look at that. That's really cool, guys. So you just put dots. You don't have to pick like one big spot. You just are supposed to put dots. We're going to do every single color. Don't worry, guys. We're doing every single color. And then some blue. Get some blue in there. And then get the red in there. This red kind of looks really cool. I've done this before and the red looks really cool. It looks like a pink. I'm just gonna wonder what happens if you put it in the green. I'll see about that. I don't know what's gonna happen there. Wait, I'm gonna make some purple. Okay, so just putting some red. That's enough red. Now we just have to put in the yellow with 38 O's and 1 W. So we're just putting in the yellow right now. It's like orange but yellow. But we'll just put that in. Okay, so that's enough yellow. Now we're just we just put that in there. So now I gotta get the soap. Ooh, that's enough soap. And then just I think I need more soap. Oop, guys. Oops. Huh? Guys, what are you doing? Well, if you swish it around, it's all cool. So, we'll have to change this one. So, now we're just going to put it in where there's a lot of color. So, it goes like, Very interesting indeed. Very interesting. It's not working like usual. It's because we probably have like too thin milk. But if you like wave it around, it works really cool. Look at this. Look at this, guys. So cool. Wow. Woo. Shablam. Oh, it's purple and green, my favorite colors. Just gonna all of it up. Oh, I gotta, guys, why aren't you participating in, I got it on my finger. Okay, why aren't you guys participating in the get all messy thingy. So now we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so next one we're gonna do the neon one. So we're just gonna start putting in the colors. So first is kind of pink/red. It looks really cool. Looks like blood. And we're just putting it in. And I think that's enough red. So that we don't want you any more red. And then we need green. I don't know if it comes out yellow, but it like comes out, it's yellow, but it comes out green. It's like a greenish yellow. It's like on the outside it shows yellow, but when you actually put it, it's like green. Oh, is it Christmas? No, it isn't. It's like summer. It is not Christmas, it's like summer. And then pink. I don't know about pink and red. Oh, guys. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Oh, that's purple. My favorite color. Yeah. What's purple and blue purple and blue in red? That would just make a lot of purple. That's what I'm going to do. So we're going to put purple there, and then another blue there. Purple and green, the best colors on earth. Okay, so now I'm gonna see what color this thing makes with purple, red, and blue, because red and blue make purple, so that would just make more purple, right? It just made black. Okay, now we know, don't mix that because it will just make black. Okay, so I think that's all of the neon colors. Now I got to do the, oh, and also guys, we added a little bit of water because it wasn't working previous, but, oh, that's so cool, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's so awesome. It's like tie-dye. Yeah. And if you don't have a lot of milk like us, then just add a little bit of water. Like maybe another, like as much milk as you added, but water, and it'll work. Oh my gosh, it's like purple. If you swirl it around, wait, I'm gonna write my name. J-A-C. Okay, so we add a little bit of water to the one we already did to experiment. We're gonna add more colors and see what monstrosity happens. And I think we're gonna actually have to use another Q-tip for that because that's not sinking in. But it just looks like poop right now, basically. Okay, I'm just gonna put a bunch of random colors. I have blue food coloring on my hand. It's hard to get this off with blue food coloring on my hands. Okay, and now we're just getting some pop. Now we're just getting some purple. Okay, now I am trying to do 2 food colorings at once to make it faster for you guys. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, I think we're now just gonna put the thingy, get a new Q-tip, Okay, now, okay, we gotta, okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello? Oh, yeah, that's not working. Just, okay, so we're gonna just pump it straight into the thing, both of them. So we're gonna do this one first, and just gonna squirt it. I mean, it didn't really do. Oh, look at that! Look! Right? Look at that! Oh my gosh! It's like little vines in the water. Okay, next one. I'm gonna do this one over here. Okay. Oh, just hydro dip that thing. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. Okay, we hydro dipped a Q-tip. It's really cool. Look at that little spot. Okay, so I think that was the end. That was kind of the end. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, CatCraftJack. That's me.